Okay, so I'm Adeline Holder, and this summer I'm working with Dr. Mitchell and Cami with Youth Outreach, and I'm studying different methods of informal assessment. So just an overview, last week Cami and I led some different activities with Grandparent University, and so the first activity we did was we went to the Botanic Gardens and we took a tour there, and then we did this activity. As you can see in the picture, the flower on the right, that's the first activity we did. So we made flowers and studied the different parts of the flower with the kids. And then we also did the hamburger activity, which most of you helped us do with Camp Turf, and that was successful. And then we also did a bookmark activity where the students were able to make bookmarks out of leaves and things that they found outside. The next day we went to the teaching greenhouses and we made dish gardens, and we also did plant propagation there, and we just talked about different areas of horticulture that they were interested in. And Monday we had the opportunity of going to an organization called People's First in Tulsa, and we helped adults with developmental disabilities create dish gardens, and so that was really fun and interesting. And then we also worked yesterday. The second picture is just us packing and planning lessons for the rest of the summer. So next week we'll be doing some activities with Unidos Se Puede, which is a group of Latino and African American students who will be coming, and we'll be doing more activities such as the flower plant and then also the hamburger plant activity. And I've been working on my literature review, and so I've just been reading different things about exit slips and then how to analyze qualitative data, which I've talked about in previous presentations. And so, yeah, we've just been working on mostly lesson planning and getting ready for different camps we have. Does anyone have any questions? Guthrie?
How old are your kids when your grandparents?
Yeah, it was ages 7 to 13, and then they could come with a grandparent, or it could be like a great aunt or something, but they have to have at least one generation between them. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah.
What are you doing with the next group that's coming in?
The next group, we're going to be going to the Botanic Gardens again. We'll do another tour, and then we're going to be doing the flower plant activity. So basically with this one, you can kind of see there's a plastic straw in the middle, and you take a Q-tip and a piece of clay, and you add on all the frills, like the petals and the stem and the roots at the bottom. But we go through and we talk about each part of the flower with them, and then why like pollination is important and things like that, because a lot of kids don't know all the parts of the flowers. Yeah.
You work with a lot of different groups. Which group's been the hardest to work with?
Oh, I don't know. Well, it's tough to say because I enjoy younger kids. I'm majoring in elementary education, so I really enjoyed Grandparents University, but I also enjoyed the Camp Turf one we did with the high schoolers. I was surprised that I liked that one so much because I usually, not that I don't like high schoolers, but I think they're more challenging. But I actually enjoyed that one because we got to spend more time with them, so it was better because it was 2 weeks long. And I enjoyed the elementary kids, but it was only like 6 hours with them, so I didn't get to know them as well. Yeah. Any other questions?
Did you have an age difference within the grandparent university?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you had 7-year-olds and you
Up
had
to 13.
13-year-olds.
Yeah.
Which of that group are easier to deal with?
I thought that personally I like the 7-year-olds, like the younger ones more. I think the challenging thing with that group is just the entire age range, from having young kids to older kids, because they have different paces going on. And so like when we're taking a tour of the garden, we wanted to talk about everything, but the kids just want to like run around and see things, which is fine, but then the grandparents want to talk, so you have like two different things going on. But yeah, it wasn't too challenging, and I think they enjoyed it, so yeah. Anything else? All right, thank you.